Dear student, now we start MCQ practice of science subject and it's about unit 16 and which is sustainable management of natural resources. In this set you will get 10 MCQ of this unit and next 10 MCQ set will be uploaded soon. So without wasting time, take one pen and plain page for write your answer. Here we go for the first question. Sardar Sarovar Dam is constructed on which river? Ganga, Sutlej or Satluj, Narmada, Kaveri. Among these rivers, on which bank the Sardar Sarovar Dam is constructed? Pick up a right answer and write in your page. Here we go for the next question. What is the purpose of rainwater harvesting? To hold rainwater on the surface of the earth, to recharge groundwater, to use water for irrigation of crops, to rear fish. These are the options of this question. Pick up one of them in and write in your page. Next question is, what are the 3 R to save the environment? Reduce, recycle and reuse. Replenish, reduce and reuse. Reconstruct, recycle and reduce. Reduce, recycle and remove. Which 3 R which use for save the environment? Clear? Take time, read carefully the question, each and every question, because it's just a practice test, and choose right option. Here we go for the next question. Expand the abbreviation GAP. It means Government Action Plan, Ganga Action Plan, Government Agency for Pollution Control, Government Animal Protection Plan. What is the full form of GAP? And your option A, B, C and D, which are displayed on your screen. Pick up a right answer and write in your page. Your next question is, the Indira Gandhi Canal has brought greenery to considerable areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh. These are the options of this question. Pick up the right answer for this question and write in your page. Here we go for the next question. Which gas is formed when fossil fuels are burnt in insufficient air? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, carbon monoxide. Option C, both CO2 and CO. It means carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide both. Neither CO2 nor CO. It means not carbon dioxide, not carbon monoxide. Which is the right answer for this question? Just choose it and write in your paper. Here we go for the next question. Environment Day falls on 28th February, 23rd March, 5th June, 6th August. Among the which dates on Environment Day falls? Celebrate. Pick up the right answer. Hope you got the answer. Here we go for the next question. The pH range most conducive for life of freshwater plants and animals is 6.5 to 7.5, 2.0 to 3.5, 3.5 to 7.0 and 9.0 to 10.5. So these are the options for this question. So choose right answer and write in your page. Have a go for the next question. Which environmental problem is associated with the construction of high-rise dam? Option A. A large number of human settlements are submerged in the water. It contributes to deforestation and loss of biodiversity. It involves the spending of huge amount of money, and all of above. Here are the options. Hope you got the answer. Here we go. The next and last question of this unit of this set. Okay, you got all the question answer. Here we go for the next slide. It's the answer switch, and these are the answer of all the 9 question. Match your answer with this answer key. If you score above 5 or above 6, if you are good in this practice test, if you score below 5, then you need a practice. So repeat this test twice and thrice. You will get definitely a good result. Hope all of you enjoyed that session. Thank you.